Alright, came to a unit that was completely flat. So I put my gauges on, and it read 0, so I know there was no refrigerant inside. So I did get my nitrogen bottle and pressurized the system to about 100 psi's. And then I did notice, you probably can't see here, basically it's the line that's coming off of the suction line that feeds this right here. I guess it was rubbing up where the filter dryer is, and I guess it was rubbing, and it created a small pinhole leak. So I could actually hear it coming from inside the unit. And so what I did was had to remove this front cover off and put some soap bubbles, started spraying soap bubbles, and then I can actually see it coming off of that small little line coming off of the suction line there. So once I put a little piece of silk floss on there, cover up that hole, then I pressurized it again, and it did hold. So that was an easy find. I'm actually glad it wasn't like on the coil or the line set that goes somewhere inside the wall. So I already buttoned everything back up, put all the screws back in, and so basically I got my vacuum pump hooked up and just waiting for my microns. So that's pretty much it. And this unit is taking about, let's see, how many ounces? I must be going blind. Okay, factory charge 410A, 112 ounces. 112 ounces. So I got my tanks ready, my scale. I'm just waiting on the vacuum here. So what I'll probably have to do is I might need to change that oil. But I'm gonna let it run for a little bit longer and just see here. So normally what I like to do is I don't know why why the Goodmans are set up this way, but normally I like to put one of these on here, stick it in there, but there's just not enough. You know, it's kind of hard to get your fingers up in here because you got this wall there. And so normally I put my serrated core removal tool there, and then put my micron gauge here. But you can't do that. So as you can see, it is going down. I know that, you know, if I was to pull with either the bigger hose or even the two hoses connected directly to here, it would pump a lot faster too as well. Which I think I'm going to start doing is I think these are either ½ inch. I'm not exactly, can't remember exactly, but this one's for if you have that extra large big yellow hose on your manifold, which I don't. So, but anyhow, so we're gonna go ahead and finish up the vacuum, and then we'll go ahead and charge up the system. So I'll post the other video once I'm done.